take a look at these people. They're tired of doing things on the traditional way and bored of these traditional screens. I think we can spruce things up a bit. Let's toss them a V-board, shall we? V-board is an interactive whiteboard system that transforms your ordinary displays into touchscreens. It's made up of a sensor camera, stylus pen, and native software. V-board can auto-calibrate on any display, turning dull screens into interactive sources of work and play. There we go! Now they're paying attention! And where there's children, a V-board is absolutely necessary. They'll never be bored in class again. The stylus pen emits an IR light that quickly communicates with the sensor camera. This allows your pen strokes to look seamless and smooth. Looks like they're really enjoying the class. V-board software is super easy to use. Give it to a young one. They'll pick it up in no time. Not only can you switch around the pen tools, but you can also choose one of the 19 different notepad templates. You can even record and save lessons to review again later. This kid really loves to learn. Fantastic! Now let's take a look at how V-board is used in virtual meetings. Import PDF, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, or an image file and annotate directly on your work. Communicating ideas becomes so easy. It'll feel like you're meeting in person. But let's not forget about actual in-person meetings. Through the real-time mirroring function, you can share your ideas without sharing personal space. Now that's what I call productivity. Let's bring V-board back home, where a child can quite literally turn any surface into a canvas. See, he's drawing something bigger than himself. Imagine the creativity that V-board unlocks. After this, you'll never see displays the same way again. V-board is the ultimate solution to turn ordinary displays touch. Now it's your turn to say no to ordinary. V-board.